Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to our channel. Okay, this morning I was telling you guys about the trafigator switch that isn't working right. Here you can see it. I just lose it out. So what I'm gonna do now is, the man said he doesn't have enough money. That means his wallet isn't thick enough for a way to change it. So I'm going to go inside of this. So when I'm in, I'm gonna show you how it's done. So in case you don't know, let's just say I'm gonna get it fixed. Let's just head out, fingers crossed, and watch the video. Sit to relax and watch this video while I do my work. Okay, so when we're done opening it, we're gonna see what's inside, then we'll know what next to do. Okay, so we're going to open it right now, so you're gonna see exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, so now if you don't have any sharp object like something like this, then you gotta find a picker, scissors, nail, something sharp. Okay, so the first one we're gonna do is we're gonna open it up from this place. We dig it in, turn it out, dig it in, turn it out, dig it in, turn it out. Okay, round till when this one is out. Here you go. Can you see that? That side is up. Then we're back to this place. I hope you can see this, guys. Yeah, I'm sure you can see it. Can you see, right? So this one goes, then this one goes. Voila! Let's watch something. Holy shit! Holy Moses! Can you guys both see that? Can you guys see that? Can you see? Now, in replacement of this, if you're gonna replace it, if you have the money to replace it, but it's not all that is worth replacement. Okay, guys? See now. Okay, I'm gonna show you something that you haven't seen before. Maybe you haven't seen it, because I tried it on YouTube and searched for it, but I didn't see it. Okay, can you see this is intact? Okay, this one is still intact, but this is supposed to be 3. Okay, can you see that? There's a metal that is supposed to be here. The metal that is supposed to be here, that is not right here. This white spot right here, there's metal like this one that is supposed to be here, but it's not. Okay, so we're gonna move on and show you more. If there is more, which I think there is. Okay, can you see what I'm saying right here? If you can see it, just show me if you can. But if you cannot, then just keep quiet and let me show you what I saw. Okay, now this switch right here is broken automatically. Can you see that? It's not supposed to be moving sideways by just a touch, by a click, or by just blowing air on it. It's not supposed to be moving on at all, except you apply a little force of momentum on it. But now, okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna find the metal of this kind right here with a spring. Then we're gonna replace this clip, this white clip right here. Then when we replace it, then we're gonna fit this one back and cover it up just how we finished opening it. Then we're gonna couple it back. Okay, so when we couple it back, you're gonna see that boom, everything should be working perfectly how it should. Okay, guys, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Now we're done fixing the metal. Now we're gonna couple it back and check out what's gonna happen in this clock stack gate right here. Okay, so just watch out and sit and relax and enjoy the ride. Okay, I'm gonna look for somewhere to put my camera so that you can be seeing what I'm doing. Okay? battery is nothing on it. Okay, I'll go back to you the way I can. Okay, I'm back right now. Just that the battery isn't set enough. So the ignition is on. Now I'm gonna turn it and you're gonna see something I'm talking about. Can you see that? Can you just see that? That is exactly what I was looking for. Okay? Can you see that? Okay. So guys, thank you for watching our video. Subscribe for more channel. Now you've seen the solution of what I want you to see. Now you can use it to work any of your car design site. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you and catch you guys later.